Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander Aspire in diesel. Now, starting at the front, I am going to walk you through the condition and some of the features of the vehicle as well. From the front end, I can already tell this car does present really well. There are maybe one or two very slight touch-ups, but overall it does present in great condition. You have got that really nice chrome front grille there, which does tie in very nicely with the silver paintwork as well, and the black plastic grille there. Now on the side, the headlights are nice and large. They do give you a very clear beam of light, and under that, being the Aspire, you do also get your headlight washer. Down the bottom, you are covered in foggy conditions with those fog lights. Now the paintwork along this side so far does present really well. That first alloy wheel is in beautiful condition and brand new tires on the front there as well, so unmarked wheel and brand new tire. Now the side mirrors are color matched with the rest of the vehicle, and you've also got the indicator just built into that side mirror. It does clean up that whole quarter panel. The door handles are chrome, and you have got the keyless entry button on there. Now when the car is locked, your mirrors fold in, and when it is unlocked, they fold back out. Now we'll take a look on the inside, because I'm sure you'll be very impressed by the interior condition. For a 2014 model, these seat bolsters are still nice and firm, the leather's in great condition, scuff guards in good condition as well, and the doors, where we tend to get lazy and kick them open, there's minimal scuffing along there. On top of the windows, you've got the weather shields fitted if you did want to put your windows down a little bit. Windows have been tinted slightly as well, which means it is going to save you money down the track. Paintwork continues to present in great condition, and that next wheel, once again, really good condition there. One superficial mark if I am being picky, but overall great condition, and a brand new tire there as well. Now on the back end, being the Aspire, you do get those really nice clear tail lights, which do continue into the tailgate splitter, which looks absolutely incredible. And on the top here, you have got that rear stoplight, the rear washer, and the rear wiper. Down the bottom, you've also got the parking sensors and tow bar fitted. Now opening this up, take a quick look on the inside. That is an electric tailgate, so it will just open itself up if you just press that button. The back seats, great design, because you do get a clean 50-50 split for those rear seats, and when you fold it down, you don't actually lose any space at all. Now under the carpet, you've also got the cargo blind fitted, which means when you do clip it in place, you can actually keep everything in the back nice and private, and your spare wheel does wind down from just here. Closing this back up, just going to press that little button up here, and the vehicle will actually close itself. It's a really easy design there. Now along the passenger side, you do get the fuel filler cap on the passenger side of the vehicle, being the safe side. That next wheel, once again, really good condition there. That one's actually completely unmarked as well, and the paintwork, apart from a little overspray from the detailer, it is in remarkable condition, so I can't actually fault the side at all, even if I am trying to be picky. Make our way to the last and final wheel, the one that does quite often cop the most amount of scratches, being parked next to the curb. That one does have some slight rashing, but nothing really too concerning. So great condition all around this vehicle. It is in beautiful condition and very, very well looked after. What we're going to do now is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Guys, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars with 7 airbags. Also got a power output of 110 kilowatts with a torque rating of 360 newton meters. Now the diesel fuel tank does have a 60 litre capacity, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 5.8 litres per 100, and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style and what you're towing, of about 1,034 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Outlander now. On the driver's side door, you do get all your power window controls. The front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is your central locking button, your window lock, and the toggle for your power mirrors. Now on the right hand side here, you've got a few buttons for your safety system, so forward collision mitigation. You've also got 2 blank buttons, your parking sonar and your tailgate opener as well. Just above that, you've got your menu control for the digital display between the clusters, your stability control, and on the right hand stalk, you've got your fog lights, indicators, and as well as automatic headlights and your headlight washers. On the left hand side here, you've got all your washer and wiper controls. Wipers are also rain sensing, so they will turn on when they need to. Now, steering wheel is very nicely leather wrapped, very comfortable design. with cruise control on the right hand side and your adaptive cruise control button just down here. So it will change the distance that it follows the car in front of you. Your media controls are on the left, and you've got 2 large paddle shifters behind the steering wheel if you did want to shift through your gears manually. Now, having a look in the center display, so I'm going to show you do get maps in this unit. So just press OK to that warning. You do get maps, as I said. In terms of audio, you've got AM and FM radio. You've also got your Bluetooth connectivity for your phone and your USB input as well. Now, just under here, the cool thing about this is that head unit does actually fold open if you did want to put in a an SD card, update your maps, or put a CD in there. So closing that back up, down the bottom here you've got your eco mode if you wanted to save a little bit of fuel, and dual zone climate control. So if you have got a very picky passenger with you and they like to have a different temperature to you, they have got the option to do so. Now down here, a little bit of storage and a 12-volt socket, as well as the tailgate activator and a slot for if your key does die, you can actually just put it in there and still start the car. You've also got 2 cup holders and your leather wrapped shifter, hard handbrake, your 4-wheel drive selector, so you can switch between 4-wheel drive, auto, lock, or eco. Then you've got 2 heated seats for the front, which is awesome for winter. And just in here you've got a tray for the center console, USB input there, and a 12-volt socket. Now if we just pan around the interior, you will notice it is in great condition. Leather in the back seats as well, very well looked after. So it is by far a very well looked after Outlander. And if we have a look at the roof as well, you do get a fully automatic sunroof. So just pressing that button once does let you slide it open, and you do have to just hold it to close it. Now if you did just want to air the car out or just let it fresh air in, you can just push that up and it will just tilt it open, and just close that blind when you're done with it. So great design. What we're going to do now is jump outside and wrap up the video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning Outlander. As you can see, it has been very well looked after, so do your part. Ask us about the glass coat and ask us about the warranty that comes with it, because I'm sure you'll be very impressed. It will help you protect your vehicle and keep it looking this good for as long as you plan to own it. The other thing I would highly recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. That will give you another 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You also get up to 10 years of platinum roadside assistance, unlimited claims, and $3,600 per claim is what we'll cover you for. So awesome value and a great way to protect your investment. Now these things are additional costs. However, if you are using our in-house finance, give Julie and Mario the opportunity to talk to you about your options and show you just how easily we can actually make all those things work into your repayments for you as well. So if you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 99070555. Before I go, have a look at our Google reviews, have a look at what people have to say about us, because you will find that with over 4.8 stars and over 1,000 reviews from customers all over Australia, it is proof that you are buying a good quality vehicle by getting into the car of your dreams, and we're going to help you make the process easy as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, but for now, my name is Josh, and Barrick Mitsubishi, love that experience.